Lay out all parts and read the instructions prior to installation. Standard outlet box needs to be installed prior to installation of the KODA Carnegie Vanity light. Consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical questions. Caution: turn off main power at the fuse or circuit breaker before installing the lighting fixture or making any electrical connection. Consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical questions. Pull power supply wires out from outlet box and install round mounting plate to outlet box using bracket mounting screws included. Connect spliced wire connections using wire nuts. Black or hot wire to hot supply wire, most likely black or colored. White or neutral wire to neutral supply wire, most likely white. Bare copper or ground wire to the ground wire, most likely bare copper, green wire, or green and yellow wire. Or wrap around ground screw if ground wire does not exist. Screw wire nuts in clockwise direction until tight. Ensure no bare wires are visible after making all connections. Check for tightness by pulling wires. Consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical questions. Attach canopy towards outlet box. The fixture mounting screws should slightly protrude through the canopy openings. Insert ball nuts towards thread of the fixture mounting screws and tighten. Insert the LED bulb. Turn power supply back on and test out the light.